Kia ora e te whānau. Today we're going to look at kei hea, where is, and learn how to apply it to 8 different situations. We're going to look at 8 different contexts of how to say where is. Now, those contexts are, where is the thing? So that's pretty simple. Where is the thing? Where are the things? So we're going to look at the plural of that. Where are the things? We're going to look at where is my thing? Where are my things? So again, a singular and a plural for my. We're going to look at your. Where is your thing? And where are your things? Again, singular and plural. And finally, we're going to look at where is his or where is her thing? And where are his or where are her things? So that's it. 8 different ways to say where is. Kei hea. Kei hea is going to be the main structure of this lesson. And we're also going to look at the end of that, a bunch of different words that we can stick on the end of these sentences to really start duplicating how many things we can say. Let's get into it. All right, the first one is kei hea te, T-E, kei hea te. So kei hea is where is essentially, and te is the. So kei hea te. Now in this case, we're going to use the Māori word for house, which is whare. Kei hea te whare. Where is the house? Pretty simple. The next one is ngā. So kei hea ngā whare. Where are the houses? So the plural. So for te, which is our singular, where is the house? Kei hea te whare. Kei hea ngā whare. Where are the houses? Now we're going to go through this same step for each of the other ones. We're going to go through the singular step and the plural step. So the next one was my. Where is my house? And where are my houses? So kei hea taku whare and kei hea aku whare. So in the first one, taku, T-A-K-U, and the next one we just drop the T. Very simple. Kei hea taku whare, where is my house? Kei hea aku whare, where are my houses? The next is yours. Kei hea tō whare, where is your house? Kei hea ō whare, where are your houses? Again, we just drop the T. So the first one, T-O, tō, the next one, O, ō. Kei hea tō whare, kei hea ō whare. Where is your house? Where are your houses? And the next one is kei hea tana whare versus kei hea ana whare. Where is his or her house and where are his or her houses? So why do we say his or her? Well, in Te Reo Māori, there's no word that distinguishes between the two. The distinction is built up in the context of the conversation. So if we're talking about Sarah's house, we don't need to mention that Sarah is a girl. We know from the context that Sarah being a girl that we're talking about here. We're not going to get confused about some other male that we might be speaking about. So they're the 8 sentences. Kei hea te, kei hea ngā, kei hea taku, kei hea taku, kei hea aku, kei hea tō, kei hea ō, kei hea tana, kei hea ana. So there you've got 8 sentences to work with. So how can you build on that? This is where the beauty of multiplication comes in. If we add just whare to the end of those sentences, we've now got 8 new things that we can say in Te Reo Māori. If we add one more word in there and we change whare to, let's say, kuri, which means dog, we've now got another 8 sentences to work with. So we've learned our 8 sentence structures, and every time we add a new word on the end, we're going to have 8 new sentences. So from whare and kuri, we've now got 16 sentences we can say. If we add, say, tepu, which means table, we're going to have 8, 16, 24 new sentences we can say. If we push that all the way through to say 10 new words that we can stick on the end, we're going to have 80 new sentences in Te Reo Māori that we can say. And that's the beauty of learning the grammar structure. If we learn those 8 grammar structures, every time we add a new word in, we're going to have 8 new sentences to work with. Kai hea te, kai hea ngā, kai hea taku, kai hea aku, kai hea tō, kai hea o, kai hea tana, kai hea ana. Good luck with it.